Welcome back to another awesome video with a very tiny, very grateful, or in a better way, you can say a UI revamp for the designs we already discussed in our previous video. If you have not seen, just to see in the I button, or you can check out the description, or you can just go to my list. I will just split it down into part one, part two. So it's me, Triple P designer, and bringing back with a new UI workflow of new creativity of this design system and revamping the ideas into a better UI and UX perspective. So where you can see this is the old one, and in the previous video I've created this one, and in this particular video we are going to revamp a few button elements which is literally weird looking over here. We have to add one button, so we can't visualize a five button like four button system in this particular card. It's not gonna like look very appealing if you're gonna create like this. It's worst. If this is good, but three is up to three is best. But up to four, we're just going to recreate that particular thing in this particular video. So let's dive into it and let's explore the new UI and UX rules.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.